Hey guys, it's your guy Tita Fitness. I'm at Waikiki Beach. So good.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do it.
10 of macadamia nuts. You eat those too. You gotta crack them open. Those macadamia nuts have a double shell. They have one outer shell and one more inner shell. Crack them, eat them, or feed them to the chickens. You're gonna see a lot of chickens over here. A lot of baby chickens as well. They're everywhere. And then when you guys come out, over here on the left, we're gonna take individual pictures here. So this is a perfect spot. It's a beautiful backdrop. You have all these different plants that are all over the planet. It's a perfect spot for a picture. I've been doing this for, like I said, 20 years. None of the other tour guys caught on to me yet. So I guess I'm gonna do it one day.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be.
Usually the chickens come running. They know. Look. There you go. That's a good one. I'll eat that. Don't give that to the chicken. That's a good one. Oh, look at that one. That's a little big. Yeah, they're over there waiting for it. Oh, you ate. Oh yeah. Well, and send me your
I will.
You have on Instagram and Facebook. Send me it. And
I
then
will.
I'm on there. You guys have my card.
I will, yeah. Chicken. Hey, chicken.
I called the company. I'm so sorry. I think they're going to switch out our
A
bus.
lot of chickens here.
Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah,
Crystal clean and clear the water is here in Hawaii. And this is what we get to wake up to every single day. So once a month, there's a company called Fly Shuttle Tours. They have these big, huge, brand new Mercedes motor coaches, and they give me one of those once a month. And I do a Circle Island tour with my homeless children and my homeless veterans. Similar to this, but much longer. It's about 13 hours. We make stops at cool little ranch so they can learn how to dig up the taro. They go to the taro patch, which is mud up to your knees, and teach the kids how their ancestors lived and worked back in the day. And the purpose of me doing that tour once a month with these kids is trying to teach the keiki, the children, about what their ancestors have gone through, what they sacrificed for, so they can have this beautiful aina, this beautiful land here in Hawaii, so they don't destroy it by spray painting or, you know, doing graffitiing, that sort of thing. We don't really have much of that here in Hawaii, and we used to kind of joke around that here in our state we get everything last, right? However, but it's not a funny thing anymore because now drugs have come here, gang violence is here, and of course the gun violence is now here in Hawaii. So we try to teach them to deter from that because we are literally in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. We're 3,000 miles away from Australia. We're 3,000 miles away from California. So we're right smack in the middle. So these kids, especially when they sell phones, they see these with social media now these days. They want to mimic the things they're seeing on here that's not here in Hawaii. And of course, much of those things are not good things. Now here on the right-hand side of us, all these vehicles, I know these are tourist vehicles. They just, you can see the cement, it still looks like it's brand new. They just redid this entire side because it was eaten by the ocean, the shoreline. And they asked the guests or anyone not to park here because the weight of the vehicle as well helps the erosion to escalate. But they're still enough parking there. Oh, somebody has a little Moana rowboat over there on the left, on the right.
Yeah, you see,
That is called a single-man la'a, or single-man canoe. Those were the canoes they had back in the day that would stay inside the reef area, so they could go fishing and that sort of thing. Here's another ahupua'a sign on the right. You can see it closer. You see how it's a pile of rocks? You see that pig's head on the top? That's letting us know we're entering. Just think of it, we're entering another county, another land division. So these homes here on this part of the North Shore, they run about 2 million on the left and again 3 million on the right. You're going to start seeing a lot more coconuts on the coconut trees, of course, here. Now a lot of these coconut trees are Samoan coconut trees. The really short ones that have the coconuts on them. There's over 100 different varieties of. My family went to PCC. Did they show you guys how the guy climbed the coconut tree with no ropes or anything? Yeah. That's how they did it. They just put it up there and he climbs it like we're climbing stairs. They just go up there, grab the coconut, chop it down, and that's how they did it back in the day. That's how many of them still do it. I don't have a coconut tree in my
You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my
Are you my group? Are you my bus? You're not John? He said the White Kelly bus was coming. Oh, John's coming to switch out. I thought you was him. I saw the White Kelly sign. Oh, okay. Never mind. There goes that. I was wondering why he was here so fast. Darn it. I don't know the driver's badge. I only just one job thing, 1 day a week. There goes that idea. Again, we'll go back to the other idea. Leave everything on the bus. Go and have fun. When I come back, I'll pick you up exactly at the same point where I drop you guys off at 2 p.m. So on your right hand side as these guys are coming out, you'll see the steps toward the right, just go straight down. Now if you don't want to go swimming or hang out at the beach because it's hot out there, that sort of thing, you're more than welcome to go to the resort here in Hawaii. You can go to any resort. They like when the guests come to the resort and just browse around because they want you to stay there eventually. So. Again, Donnie, make sure you take bottled water, take snacks. Of the North Shore. Now we're coming down the North Shore. Now this 4-mile stretch of beach is that famous beaches that you've seen all the movies, all the WSL, the World Surfing League competitions. Whenever you're talking about the pipeline, this is that 4-mile stretch of beach. Now all surfers from all over the planet are here right now at the North Shore. The homes that people had on this North Shore side have been bought out by every surfer from all over the world. Okay, they've you'll see how much nicer the homes are. They renovated them or actually even rebuilt them. A lot of families, again, they just gave up the homes because, again, it's just too expensive for them to live, and then they don't even have the money to renovate them, so they just go ahead and sell them at the highest bidder, and they'll end up leaving to go to the U.S. mainland. So I'll be pointing out these different beach names as we're passing by them because the full 4-mile stretch of beach is actually called Sunset Beach. Sunset Beach is not just one beach, but within that 4-mile stretch of Sunset Beach we have multiple different beach names, particularly the pipeline. Everybody wants to see the pipeline. Now the pipeline is just one long continuous wave, and now here in Hawaii and all over the planet, what makes these waves so awesome is how the volcano created the land that's underneath the water. Okay, so here all the way down. They've got what we call crashing waves right now. I don't even see any surfers out there right now. You guys can obviously see better than I can because I'm watching the road. But yeah, but because those waves are pretty choppy and not very clean out there right now, and those waves are actually pretty dangerous. But this is the famous beach called the Pipeline. So it starts there at the beginning, but the pipeline doesn't end. I'll tell you when it ends. It ends at this small beach park coming up here. So this beach park also is going to be closed in the next few weeks. Closed up to the press, ESPN, WSL League, other people with the proper credentials, because they're filming in that tunnel of that pipeline when those competitions commence. Now, as I said, the waters are very dangerous here on the North Shore, so you might ask us, well, if you live on the North Shore, where's a safe place for you to bring your families? There's only one. Actually, there's two. There's a place called Sharps Cove. We're going to pass by Sharps Cove. Sharps Cove is this cold rock outcropping that creates this nice pool of water. So you don't have to worry about your kids being swept out to sea by an undertow, and you definitely don't have to worry about the sharks. They call it Sharps Cove because back in the day, the fishermen would throw their fish chum on the other side of the cove for the sharks to eat. Tourists, and they have all the trees and plants labeled, where they came from and what their uses were for at the time and why they were brought here to Hawaii. Now next month, I should say next week, when these waves are pumping, Waimea Beach Park's parking lot here on the right is very busy when it's not surf season. So if you're not here by 5 a.m. to get a good parking spot, where would you park? Right up here in front of the signs that say...
Hey guys, it's your guy at Tita Fitness. So today it's my last day in Waikiki. As you guys can see, I'm close to the beach. It's just right here behind me. This place has been so beautiful. I think I'm coming back sometime next year. The good thing, I ended up taking a bus tour. I know most of the places that I'm coming to see again when I come back next year.